Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 97, So Small. This is another one of those lateral thinking puzzles that I've been updating regularly. Thank you for the great feedback you've given me. It's obvious that you enjoy them and I will be uploading them on a regular basis. Let's see how you go with this one. I am so small that you can hold me in your hand, yet I can fill a whole room. What am I? A clue will be given on the next slide. So in 2 minutes' time I will give you a clue, so please persist and see if you can solve this. If you have a little bit of trouble, I think the clue will help you, but please stay on this slide and try and solve it yourself. And you will have the clue in exactly 2 minutes' time. Okay, as promised, here is your clue. I wonder how you went. Let's see. I am so small that you can hold me in your hand, yet I can fill a whole room. What am I? The clue, I am normally up high. So there's your clue. The answer is on the next slide. So if you're still having a little bit of trouble, this clue will probably help you. But the answer's on the next slide, so please persist and try and solve it before I give you the answer in exactly 1 minute. Okay, I wonder how you went with that. Here is the answer. I hope you were successful. I am so small that you can hold me in your hand, yet I can fill a whole room. What am I? The answer, a light bulb. Isn't it interesting when you get the answer? It just sounds so obvious. Yet they're a bit tricky, these puzzles. And thank you for enjoying doing these puzzles. and I will keep uploading them on a regular basis. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.